Welcome back to A Better Tech LLC. Today, we're going to talk about 10 Windows 10 tips and tricks that you might not know about. Let's get started. First, let's talk about storage. If you have a smaller drive and a larger drive, you can free up storage on your smaller drive by moving files like pictures, videos, and music to your larger drive. When installing programs you don't use very often, you can also install them on your larger drive to ensure that you have more space on your smaller drive. Next up is privacy settings in Windows. By default, Windows tracks and reports all of your usage. To turn this off, go to Start, type Privacy, select Privacy Settings, and turn off all of your settings. Now, Windows will no longer track and report on what you're doing on your computer. Number 3 is keyboard shortcuts. There are several keyboard shortcuts that will make your life much easier. First, select a piece of text by double-clicking on it. Then hit Ctrl-C. Your computer has just copied that text. Hitting Ctrl-V will paste any copied text that you have. Ctrl-X will cut that text. Alt-F4 will close out of any program you're in. And the F keys or function keys all have different functions depending on what program you're in. Another helpful hint is about the Windows Notification Center. Here, you can find any alerts that programs or Windows has issued, as well as find helpful toggles for features on your computer. Toggling tablet mode on a laptop will completely change the look and feel of your computer to make it more like a tablet and less like a computer. If your computer ever looks completely different, check to make sure tablet mode hasn't been turned on accidentally. There are also toggles for your network, airplane mode, your location, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, VPN, screen snipping, or projecting and connecting to another screen, as well as all settings. Number 5 is hidden icons. The hidden icons arrow, right down here by your clock and volume, shows what programs are running in the background. This is helpful in letting you know if you're running too many antivirus programs or if any kind of programs are needing attention. Number 6, pinning or unpinning programs from the taskbar. You can do this by simply opening up the program you want to use, coming down here, and clicking Pin to Taskbar. When you close the program, the icon stays there. Unpinning is also super easy. You right-click on it and click Unpin from Taskbar. Now it's gone. The search bar in Windows 10 is actually a really cool feature that you can use to find programs, documents, images, and other stuff really easy. Let's search for Zoom. As soon as I start typing, it props up. It also works really well for settings. Typing in privacy shows me all of the privacy settings that I can control on this computer, as well as some web results. Number 8, you can right-click on the Start menu down here to access some other Windows features. For example, right-clicking on the Start menu will quickly take you to Apps and Features, Power Options, the Event Viewer, System, Device Manager, Network Connections, Disk Management, Computer Management, Windows PowerShell, the Task Manager, your settings, File Explorer, the Search and Run features, or just take you straight to your desktop. Next up is light and dark mode. Let's go over here to the notifications tray we talked about earlier and click Nightlight. Nightlight is a super cool feature that's really good for your eyes. It makes it to where it takes all the blue light out of the screen, so it will protect your eyes, keep your fatigue down when looking at the screen for a long time, and keep your eyes happy. This has been A Better Tech LLC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon to get notified about all our upcoming videos.